close to me anyway. Hi.
Hi. I have a few items to
Oh,
bring
cool.
in.
Okay. What do you got?
Oh.
Was a little skittish taking pictures with Santa Claus. We're rocking me. We're old buddies, aren't we, Rock?
Do you do this every year?
Oh, see, he's okay. He's not gonna do anything. He just like, this feels good.
Yeah.
Take a picture of that. I'll send to your sister. She's gonna be so jealous. She didn't want to come back home this weekend. She's like, I have to study. So I'm like, it's all right. You study. We'll go do the fun stuff.
This dog is big.
He's huge. He's a Pyrenees.
Cool. What dog did we have?
We had a lab. We thought he was a lab chow for the longest time because of his tongue. But when we looked, I remember the other one, but we were like, what? So here we were always calling him a lab chow, and he wasn't. But he was a short little lab.
Yeah.
Curly tail. I mean, he looked like a chow, like half lab and half chow because of the snout. You know, he had
Yeah.
the curly tail like the chows do, and
Black tongue.
and the black tongue. So we're like,
Bye, dog.
yeah.
One more belly rub.
So what do you want for Christmas? You really?
Bye, goat. One more one more pet.
This year's only one thing he's asking for. Nothing else? I think Grandpa might tell Santa too, you know.
Yeah.
That's what he wants.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. And she would turn up. See. Okay, Elias.
Bye, dog. Bye, goat. Bye, bearded dragon.
We got him when he was like this big, with tail,
Uh-huh.
and now he's like.
If you guys want to go here, it's called Chicken Nugget and Gang. It's open on the week, I think. And this, look, if you guys can pause it. This is the best place I've ever went to. You should go there. Like and subscribe.